So now children, we will discuss about stars. Stars are very hot, huge, heavenly objects made up of hot gases. They appear like dots only because they are far away from us, otherwise, they are as big and much more bigger than our sun. The light takes millions of years to reach the earth. Hence, the distances in the space in the universe, the distances between the stars are expressed in light years. Now, what is light year? Light year is the distance traveled by light in 1 year. The star which is nearest to earth is sun, and the next star is Alpha Centauri or Proxima Centauri. This is at a distance of 4.3 light years from Earth. This means we get the light after 4.3 years when it was emitted from this particular star. Now, in comparison to Alpha Centauri, it just takes 8 minutes for the light to reach the earth. Therefore, the distance between earth and the sun is 14.4 crore kilometers. The calculations are given in your book. So, the distance between it only is 14.4 crore kilometers, and it just takes 8 minutes to reach the earth. There are majority of stars which are much more bigger than sun in our galaxy, and they are millions of times farther from us. It takes million years there to the light to reach the surface of the earth. Nearest is sun, therefore it looks like a ball, and the farther stars, the stars which are far away, they just look like dots or point objects. Now, are all the stars similarly bright, or are they having same color? Why? Why don't they have same color? Actually, the color of a star can be determined by the surface temperature. The stars which have low surface temperature, they appear red or reddish. Those which are having high temperature, they appear to be white. And the stars which are having very high temperature, they appear to be blue. The size and the color of the star changes with the brightness and temperature. जितना ज़्यादा bright होगा, जितना ज़्यादा temperature होगा, according to that the size and the color of the star will change. After sun, the second brightest star in the night sky is Sirius, and the third brightest star is Alpha Centauri. Children, note here, Alpha Centauri is the next closest star to the earth, but it is the third brightest star in the night sky. The stars next is the star like sun appear to move from east to west. If you see in the morning, you see sun rises in east and sets in west. Similarly, this is for the reason that rotation of earth on its axis from west to east. Hence, a star which rises in the evening appears to set in the west in the morning. The revolution of earth around the sun and the rotation about its own axis. These two motions, rotation and revolution, are responsible for changing the position of star in the night sky. The same star rises 4 minutes earlier each day because of the rotation and revolution of the earth. This implies that the setup of the sky changes every night, but you are not able to observe it because it is very small change which cannot be observed in a day, but if you observe it daily, you can see the radical change in a month. Next topic is pole star or Dhruv Tara. It is a very important star. Pole star is called Dhruv Tara. It is special star which is present in the northern hemisphere. हमारे अर्थ के northern hemisphere में ये present है. This star, unlike other stars, never seems to change its position. All the stars appear to revolve around it. This star appear to be fixed and all the stars appear to rotate around it. Why it is so? This is because it lies on the line close to the axis of rotation. जो अर्थ की एक्सिस ऑफ रोटेशन है जिस पे वो रोटेट कर रही है अपने ही एक्सिस पे, उसके नॉर्दर्न पॉइंट के टॉप पर दिस स्टार इज लोकेटेड. Because of this special feature, the star has been useful for the traveler. It helped them to find direction क्योंकि उसकी position fixed है. People know that the pole star is always visible in north side. Therefore, it is used to find the north direction. It is useful for the travelers. The pole star defines north direction. जिस तरफ pole star है, it means that is the north direction. The other directions can be defined with respect to this direction. Hence, the pole star is very much important.